Hello po, good day po sa inyong lahat at sana'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan at patnubayan po ng ating poong may kapal ang bawat isa sa atin. The competition promises to be fierce, with each participant bringing the unique strengths and stories to the forefront. Stay tuned for updates, behind the scenes, glimpses, and interviews as we follow their journeys. Who will rise above the rest and earn the coveted title? Let the Misters of Filipinas Lipas City 2024 competition begins. Official headshots of the Mr. of Filipinas Lipas City 2024 candidates. Get ready to meet the exceptional men who are vying for the prestigious title of Misters of Filipinas Lipas City 2024. And these candidates represent the true essence of Lipas City with their charm, spirit, and unwavering passion. Each of them has been carefully selected to compete, showcasing not only their physical attributes but also their dedication to community service, leadership, and personal growth. Jansen Lance Alvarez is a rising star in the world of pageantry and modeling. At 20, he stands 5'8", with a charismatic presence and a strong sense of style. He has quickly gained recognition for his poise and confidence on stage. Known for his dedication and hard work, Alvarez has participated in various local and international competitions, showcasing his versatility and talent. Beyond his modeling career, he is also committed in community service, using his platform and advocate for important causes. His passion for making a positive impact and his drive to succeed continue to inspire many aspiring models and pageant enthusiasts. Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Hinihiling ko ang inyong tulong sa pag-like, pag-komento at pagbahagi ng aking munting channel. Pagpalain kayo ng may kapal sa inyong kabutihan at pagmamalasakit. Bye-bye!